Back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. My name is Ravi Teja. Let's solve today's Leetcode problem 1877 minimize maximum pair sum in array. Okay, the pair sum of a pair AB is equal to A plus B. The maximum pair sum is the largest pair sum in the list of pairs. Okay, for example, if we have pairs 1, 5, 2, 3, 4, 4. The maximum pair sum would be the maximum of all these summations of their corresponding pairs, okay, which is 8. Okay, given an array nums of even length, okay, notice that the length is always even. Pair up the elements in nums into n by 2 pairs such that each element of nums is in exact one pair and maximum pair sum is minimized. Okay, so we have to transform this nums into a different array which is of size half, and each number should be paired up with at least exactly one number in the given array. Okay, return the minimized maximum pair sum after optimally pairing up. Okay, we have to return the minimized maximum pair sum. Okay, let's take an example. Okay, if the input is 3, 5, 4, 2 and 4, 6. Okay, so what all possible pairs we can do? We can pair 3 with 5, 4 with 2 and 4 with 6. In this combination, the maximum pair sum is 10. Okay, 3 plus 5 is 8, 4 plus 2 is 8 and 6 plus 4 is 10. So maximum pair sum is 10. Okay, but we want to minimize it. Okay, currently this combination is giving us 10. Let's take a different combination. A different combination is we can pair 3 with 4. Okay, we can pair 5 with 4 and 2 with 4. Okay, so in this combination the maximum pair sum is 9. Okay, again 3 can also be paired with 2, 3 can also be paired with 6. There are so many possibilities, right? Out of all those possibilities, we have to get the minimized maximum pair sum. Okay, so what we can do? Okay, so in order to minimize a particular pair sum, okay, if I can if one of the number is higher and another number is lower, then the pair sum is actually minimized. Okay, so what we'll do, we just sort the array and we'll choose each number in a pair such that one from the leftmost end and one from the rightmost end. Okay, so let's simply sort it, and if you see, I'm pairing 2 with 6. Okay, and I'm pairing 3 with 5 and I'm pairing 4 with 4. Okay, this way we are optimally choosing the numbers in the pair such that the maximum pair sum is minimized. Okay, so 2 plus 2 is 8, 3 plus 5 is 8 and 4 plus 4 is 8. So the overall maximum is 8 in this case. Okay, coincidentally all of the pairs are turning out to be 8. Okay, so let me just jump back to the code. Okay, all we have to do is to simply sort the array. Okay, once we have sorted, we need two pointers, one from the left and one from the right, and we'll basically choose a number from left and right, and we'll increment both the pointers. We'll increment the left pointer and we'll decrement the right pointer, and we'll keep on moving these pointers as long as both are not equal. Okay, so as long as my left is less than right, answer would be the maximum of answer comma the nums of left plus nums of right. Okay, so where I've just initialized the answer with the minimum value, since we're identifying the maximum value, so I just initialized a answer with the minimum possible value, and then I'm just summing up the numbers. Once I sum up, I'm also incrementing the left pointer here, and I'm also decrementing the right pointer. In the end, my answer would contain the minimized maximum pair sum. Okay, let's try to submit this problem. As you can see, it has all the test cases were passed and it is pretty efficient solution. So before jumping dive into the time complexity analysis, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my coding channel so that you won't be missing the content which I will be posting on. So let's try to analyze it. Okay, as you can see, we are first sorting the given input array, right? So the sorting would take a time complexity of n log n. Okay, Once it is sorted, we are just define two pointers left-handed and iterating the overarray, which will be order of n. Okay, so if you consider the overall time complexity will be, which will be the time complexity of the sorting algorithm, which is the highest, which is order of n log n, and space complexity will be also the space consumed by the sorting algorithm. If the underhood, if it is using merger, it will be order of n. Yeah, apart from this, we are not using any extra space. Yeah, that's all about this problem. Do subscribe to my coding channel. If you like the content, hit the like button. Also share the content with your friends. Thank you.